Hi, welcome to Watsons Get Active, Stay Healthy Expert Tips. My name is Ruby, Watsons Pharmacist. While it's important to have a first aid kit at home, there are also a few other essential items that will come in handy. But how many of us know what do we actually need? Let's debunk the myth together. One of the most common situations that we encounter at home that require attention is pain and fever. It could be pain related to injury, joint pain, muscle pain, headache, backache, to name a few. While the most common painkiller that we have at home is paracetamol, if you know what common problems that you have, you can also choose to prepare some different types of pain medication. For example, pain medicine that addresses headache or migraine or joint pain, or if you want immediate fast relief, will come in different combination and dosage. Do speak to our health experts to find out which is more suitable for your needs. In addition, you can also prepare some fever patches to stand by at home, especially if you have young children. There are also pain reliever patches and cream available over the counter if you don't prefer oral consumed pain medication. Next, you can prepare some over-the-counter medicines to address stomach discomfort, indigestion, or diarrhea which can be caused by food poisoning or overeating. Oral rehydration salt is good to have to rehydrate the body in any case of dehydration, especially during diarrhea. Activated carbon is another useful remedy to have at home that helps for food poisoning and stomach bloating caused by wind. If you have gastric, then having some gastric medicine at home is important because when it attacks, the pain might be severe that you might find it challenging to walk out of the house to get medicine supply. Over-the-counter gastric medicines come in form of tablet and liquid, mainly works to relieve heartburn, acid reflux, and indigestion. Some combination helps to relieve wind as well. Herbal medicated oil is also another common household essentials that you can consider to keep at home, as it usually serves a few functions, such as helping to relieve pain, nausea and dizziness, as well as wind. They usually come in strong scents, which some people find it soothing while some may not like it. So choose what suits you best according to your preference and need. While these are the few common essential items that you can prepare at home, every household may require different needs. So do speak to our health expert to find out what's best for you and your family. Remember also to check on the items regularly to ensure they are within the active shelf life. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!